Choosing the right POD platform determines how fast your store grows and how much profit you keep. Etsy is the best starting point because it provides built-in traffic. People are already searching for designs like yours. Shopify gives you the most control and highest margins, but you're responsible for generating your own traffic. Redbubble is the most passive because it brings organic traffic and handles the entire fulfillment process, but profit margins are lower. A multi-platform strategy lets you diversify your income and discover which designs perform best on which marketplace. AI tools help you write listings, optimize SEO, create mockups, and manage your catalog more efficiently. With the right platform mix, you can scale quickly without overwhelming complexity. Etsy is the best platform for new POD sellers because of its high buyer intent. Start by niching your store. Don't sell everything. Focus on one audience: pet owners, teachers, gamers, home decor buyers, spiritual themes, or a specific art style. Use high-quality lifestyle mockups to show how your designs look in real life. Etsy search relies heavily on SEO, so include descriptive keywords in your titles and tags. Connect your store to Printify or Printful so orders are fulfilled automatically. Upload 20 to 40 designs at launch to signal to Etsy's algorithm that your shop is active and worth ranking. With solid SEO, your store becomes a magnet for consistent daily traffic and sales. Shopify is the platform to use if you want full control, custom branding, and higher profits. Begin with a clean, mobile-first theme. Most customers shop from their phones. Use AI to generate product descriptions, landing pages, FAQ sections, and brand story pages that communicate your uniqueness. Integrate Printify, Printful, or Gelato for automated fulfillment. Because Shopify lacks built-in traffic, you must drive visitors through short-form videos, SEO blogs, Pinterest pins, Max, and paid ads. AI can generate all of these efficiently. Shopify is perfect for turning your POD side hustle into a full brand. Once your store attracts steady traffic, your margins multiply far faster than on marketplaces. Redbubble is the most set-and-forget platform in the POD space. You upload your designs, set your margins, and Redbubble handles production, shipping, and customer support. While margins are lower, it's ideal for creating passive revenue with minimal effort. Redbubble favors unique artwork, niche illustrations, fandom-style designs, and aesthetic patterns. Tagging is extremely important. Proper keywords help your designs rank in Redbubble search and appear in Google results. This platform is perfect for beginners who want a simple start or advanced sellers who want a hands-free secondary income stream. Once you upload consistently, Redbubble can quietly generate sales for years without additional work. The fastest growth comes from using multiple POD platforms at once. A design that sells moderately on Etsy might explode on Redbubble, or vice versa. Use AI to generate platform-specific SEO titles, tags, and descriptions for each upload. Repurpose your mockups to match the visual style of each marketplace. Etsy prefers lifestyle images, while Redbubble favors clean product previews. Track performance across all platforms to identify your best-selling niches and designs. Once you find winners, double down. Create bundles, variations, matching posters, stickers, and apparel. Tools like Flying Upload or Merch Titans can help automate multi-platform uploads and save hours of manual work. This multi-channel approach grows your visibility, reduces platform risk, and multiplies your passive income potential.